stop of the day. Northern Hills Homes and RVs.
Well, this is the first stop. We went to the gas station.
Oh,
Yeah, hello.
duh. Sorry, your cruise director misinformed you.
Get better informed.
Yeah, this is where we'll be spending.
Nobody move. That means nobody. Everybody stay put. Let me get out.
What? Char, could you stop touching her Legos?
Coffee. Excuse me, Fevers.
No, Charlie!
Charlie, did I just not tell you to stop? When I said stop touching the Legos, I didn't mean to start touching and grabbing
I
her.
gotta clean up, Dad.
Let her clean up. Move out of the way now.
I'm trying.
I'm going to count to 3. You better
She
move.
won't let me.
1.
Mom's just in front
Stand
of me.
up. You're a big boy. 2. Take a step back. Go on back now. Go on back now. Bye. Bye. Thanks for listening.
Stop it, Mom.
Bye.
Stop it.
Ah. Go away. This should be interesting. Good news is, there's some pretty scenery out in the distance. Bad news is, we will have absolutely nothing to do for however long it takes. No generator means no air, means no fridge, means no cold drinks.
No cold drinks?
Are you having fun? Let's wait and see what the word is from Big J.